So when you open an Azure account, Microsoft gives you $200 for free during the first month. But once the $200 expires after the first month, you still have certain services that are free for 12 months. But there is a catch to it, and I'll show you how you should deploy free services and not get confused with the paid ones. So if I launch a virtual machine from here, for example, if I type in virtual machines and launch a machine from here, then I will be paying per hour according to the price over here. So according to the price over here, I'd be paying per hour. Whereas if I go and type in free services and click on this virtual machine, then I will not be charged for up to 750 hours per month because that's what Azure offers for free. So this is one tip that I wanted to give you when you deploy your machines. And this goes with all the other free services as well. So Microsoft offers these services for free for 12 months. So you can launch a Windows virtual machine, a Linux virtual machine, manage disks, blob storage, Azure files, and so on. Note of this because this can be very helpful when you deploy free services.